Hey there. So as we have seen that in the ESP32 we used to use the built-in LED which is in here. So now here we are using the external LED. Unlike the Arduino, we cannot place this LED directly on the ESP32 because as we can see that the pins here are inverted. Are towards outside of the ESP32. Now, this is a very simple external LED blink project using the ESP32. So as you can see that connections are very much easy, and I will show you the circuit diagram too. Here we can see that we are using D2 of the ESP32 and the ground. So that is D2 will be going to the positive pin, that is the long leg of the LED, and the ground will be going to the short leg of the LED. And we will by using only these two, we are making a very simple project using ESP32. And one more thing, as we can see that when I'm taking out the external LED, the internal LED is turning on. The same code as inserted in this. So I will insert the LED here. So when I do, the LED, external LED is turning on. So this is what our today's project is. So let us see the circuit diagram and the code. The project working and the connections and the circuit diagram. So let us see the code now. So this is a very simple code. So in here we are just telling that the LED pin will be on pin number 2, and that is the output, that is the pin mode. And here for every 2000 millisecond, that is 2 second, the LED pin will be high, and then LED pin will be go low for every 2000 millisecond. Now this is creating a loop. It is like a circular form in our ESP32. Now what we are going to do is we will just verify this code, and let's see if there is any um, error. By the time it gets verified, we can select the board, that is ESP32 dev module. So remember, while using ESP32 development module, will be giving the full name. So there will be many more names in the Arduino IDE, like one horse, or ESP32 S3, C3, C5. So we are not using anything, we are using just ESP development module, and communication port will be COM9, and we will select the same. And after that we will click on upload. So when the code will be uploaded to the ESP32, it will be working as per our command. So let us see the uploading part. So first it will sometimes it will get stuck at connecting here at this point. Yeah, so at this point the ESP32 will be like it won't uh, it won't be able to get the code in the ESP32. At that time what we want, we can do is we may while connecting, we can just hold the boot button on the ESP32 for some 8 to 10 seconds, and then again it will start uploading. And here the writing at will be starting from 0.0%, and when we see this 100% message, we will know that the data, the code data, is transferred to the ESP32. So hard resetting via RTS pin, you may ignore this message, like it is not anything of our part. So as we have seen the output and the connections and circuit diagrams, and we got to know how to insert the code in the ESP32 in a very simple form. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.